can't believe how long he's sit. I've never.
Yeah, I've never seen a hummingbird sit before. Oh, there he goes.
He's drawing.
No, he's humming.
Oh. He's humming. Yeah.
Is he still there?
Yeah, he's underneath the chimney over here.
Where?
He's underneath the plants.
You see him?
I think he took off.
Oh, that was pretty cool.
Oh, there he is. He's back up to
There
the
he
top one. See him?
Yep. Oh, he's sitting again. He probably needs a. He's probably an older hummingbird.
Oh.
Look, he's back again.
Oh, his insurance must be a lot then if he's an old husband bird.
That's it, right?
Mm-hmm. He took off.